Okay, so I call this one Frozen because it reminds me of the movie Frozen. So like this is the official besome materials that we got from Alyssa. Um, as far as that, and then it was like a regular thinner stick because it's a cobwebber, so you want like a lightweight, but because my stuff I usually do more for design aesthetic rather than use. Um, I bought this huge, gorgeous staff for, it was $65 on Etsy, and it was like originally like a walking stick. But I cut it not quite in half because one side is longer than the other, because then that way, because this one has a longer broomcorn situation, the stick can be shorter, and it's got like all these dramatic twists, which I love. And then this one also had kind of a basic straight stick, so by using the other part of, and I love the twist. It doesn't have as many twists, but it's got that nice bow to it, which I love. And then this one has more stuff going on, so it's going to be good to have like a longer neck. So this is going to be, this is more of a hearth broom. It may have shoulders. I may have to pull some more black to add in here to give it some shoulders. But then it's got these gorgeous colors. The your main blue, red, and yellow that in the class she's gonna teach us how to do this gorgeous weave that's gonna be at the top, and then we're gonna do, I think there's like a difference to the stitch down here too. So this is going to be an awesome class. Both of these classes are this weekend. So unless you live within driving range of going to pick it up, or can pay the extra for expedited shipping. I know for sure this class is full. So the frozen besom / cobwebber class is full, but we definitely need to have her do some more of these. And then this one I think still has some seats, and it's the first time that she's doing this weave thing at the top that she's teaching on this class. So if there's a spot and you can get your materials in time, come and join us. So this, like I said before, like people get their black, like this is black broomcorn, get their black broomcorn from two suppliers usually, and that's either Meckley, who hand dye their own, or Caddy Supply. Caddy Supply usually has brown undertones, which I don't like as much. And then this is definitely looking like Meckley brooms because it's got that gorgeous blue purple undertone. So like when the light shines on it, it's kind of got that purpley blue look to it. So that's my preferred black, is this purpley blue black. And then you've got this lighter gray, silver, blue. It's almost a pinky red. But this isn't as pink as their other red was before. Like, I got one batch of red from them, but I really didn't like it. So I had to just kind of mix it into my, so like these mixtures, I mixed them in there, like small doses as I did them. So this is going to be so cool. I'm so excited for it's this weekend, this coming weekend, because it's my birthday weekend. We're doing these. So the 19th and the 20th, if you can get to her studios to pick up supplies, or you're willing to pay the extra for the shipping, and she's still got a set. She should be able to do sets of this, because this is not specialized dyes. This is stuff she would already have. But this one, I know they only made so much, and so they don't have any more. So I love it. But I may use this. I'm trying to decide. It's more green toned, and I don't know. I may try throwing this in a darker blue dye for this week, and see if I can get something closer to that, and then that way I would be able to puff this out more, so that the top would be this on on the handle, and then these guys, the stalks, would kind of be attached so that they go like up and over that. And I've got a bunch of this. I mean, a whole bunch of this. I could probably make like 4 or 5 brooms. So we'll see if I can get close to this gorgeous blue. And if I can, and maybe adding some heft to this broom, or I may just do some additional brooms like this, because but I have stalks. I have stalks on their own, so the stalks could go over top, so I could still do like a woven stalk, but we'll see. And then obviously I have to figure out where my Jin Kim pearls will get woven in to them. So this is our Yule broom making courses, cobwebber and a hearth broom, which for me it's longer because I'm using a really cool hiking stick I got cut into 2 pieces. Yay.